Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix the error Task Scheduler service is not available on Windows Server 2019-2022. Search Registry Editor in the Windows search box. Click on Registry Editor to open it. Now, browse the following path in the Registry Editor. Then, on the right side, double-click on Start. Change the value to 3 and click OK. Now you need to restart your computer. After the restart, the error will be fixed. Press the Windows key and R key on your keyboard to bring up the Run dialog. In Run, type regedit and click OK. The Registry Editor will open. Now, browse the following path in the Registry Editor. After selecting Schedule on the left side, look for the Start key on the right side. Double-click on the Start key. Change the value data to 2 and click OK. After that, close the Registry Editor. And now, you just need to restart your computer, and the error will be fixed. Press the Windows key and R key on your keyboard to bring up the Run dialog. In Run, type regedit and click OK. The Registry Editor will open. Now, browse the following path in the Registry Editor. Right-click on Tree and click on Rename. Rename it to tree.old. Now, again open Task Scheduler to see if the error message still appears or not. If the error doesn't appear, this means an entry under the tree key is corrupted, and we're going to find out which one. Again, rename tree.old back to tree and expand this registry key. Under the tree registry key, rename each key to .old, and each time you rename a particular key, open the Task Scheduler and see if you're able to fix the error message. Keep doing this until the error message no longer appears. Finally, delete the entries which are causing the Task Scheduler error and the issue will be resolved.